healing can still take place in different forms.
Lona ngumfundisi owazivumela ngokwakhe ukuthi ungumprofethi wamanga, ubechaza kabanzi ngenkolo enaba nangokuthi yini engenza abantu ukuthi bayofuna insindiso kubaholi bamabandla nanokuthi yini engenza abanye abaholi bamabandla bangethembeki.
Healing can still take place whether you use Panado is healing at the end of the day, whether you go through that process ukutwasa, the person will tell you that I am healed. So healing can take place in different ways.
Abanye abaholi bamabandla sebesolwe ngokweba izinto ezenzeka kwamanye amabandla ukwakha imikhuba eyenziwa emabandleni abo.
They come and steal, and they go to Hindu, they steal, they go to other religion, and they make their own religion.
Omunye umfundisi owazivumela ngokwakhe ukuthi ungumqambi manga uJ Israel uthi ukuxosha isiqalekiso kanye nokunikela ngegazi ngenye yemikhuba eyenziwa emabandleni.
Who are these kids? Why is there so many kids here? Then he said to me, all these kids that you see here, these are kids that have been kidnapped. You hear of cases where kids are being kidnapped, where a car will just drive past, kids are stolen. Most of those kids, they bring them here for sacrifice.
Uthi wabona izithombe ezibaziweyo zicilwise egazini njengengxenye yemikhuba yalabefundisi yokuthi bakhulise amabandla abo.
They were all smeared with blood, and the blood and a lot of things, and blood will be flowing on those things, so that's where we were.
Uqhuba uthi labaholi bafuna nje ukuzicebisa bona. Lesigcawu sizoqhubeka ekupheleni kwaleli sonto.